Hi there, students. Luminary. A luminary. This is a person who is famous, somebody who's important in a particular area of activity, but particularly somebody who is an inspiration to others. Somebody that's achieved a lot of success in their field. They are a leading light in their field. So, very definitely, Einstein was a luminary in the field of science. Um, I wonder if Elon Musk is a luminary or not. I guess he inspires people and he's certainly achieved great success in his field. Um, at the gala, there were many luminaries from the film industry. Yeah, a luminary of the music industry. Okay, so somebody who inspires and influences others, especially because they're very prominent in what they do. So they're well known, a leading light. I guess Messi is a football luminary. He inspires lots of kids to play football, and he's a master or an expert in the field. Okay, so the the person who gave the speech is a luminary in current affairs. I wish that our politicians were luminaries. Yeah, people who inspired everyone else. Yeah, they may be very important in their field, but I'm not sure they're so inspiring. Let's see. A luminary could also be a celestial body that gives light. So a star or the moon or something like that. But I think we use this a luminary to talk about a famous person. Yeah. I think the modern word is probably an influencer. Certainly luminaries in social media nowadays we call influencers. Okay, so a luminary, a celebrity, a star, an expert, a notable, a dignitary, a leading light, a personage, a megastar, maybe even a VIP. Um, so, they read poetry by luminaries such as Robert Frost and Lord Byron. Yeah, so these are sort of celebrity heroes that they become very famous and people follow them. I think this word luminary is probably a fairly formal word. I think I'd probably give it something like 6.5. I think you could use it in a semi-formal conversation. I think informally a star, a celebrity, a leader, something like that. And then as to origin, well, it comes from French, luminaire, a light fixture. But that itself comes from lumen in Latin, meaning light, which comes from Proto-Indo-European luk, meaning bright or to shine. So, a luminary, yeah, somebody effectively who illuminates, yeah, he illuminates the way for other people. Um, so, I think that's enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Luminary.